Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken using an oven. Start by patting your chicken completely dry with paper towels. This is key for that wonderfully crispy skin. Next, season it generously, both inside the cavity and all over the exterior, with your favorite herbs and spices. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, getting it ready for roasting. Now, place your seasoned chicken on a roasting rack within a pan. This allows air to circulate, ensuring even cooking and a beautiful crust. Roast it for about 60 to 75 minutes, depending on its size. Basting occasionally with pan juices will help keep the meat moist and flavorful throughout the cooking process. To ensure your chicken is perfectly cooked and safe to eat, always check its internal temperature. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the thigh, carefully avoiding the bone. The temperature should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, when you pierce the thigh, the juices should run completely clear. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before carving. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it incredibly tender and moist. Then, carve your delicious roast chicken and serve it immediately to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.